Welcome to Z. Today, we're diving into one of the most profound questions humanity has ever pondered. Are we alone in the universe? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is a scientific endeavor dedicated to answering this question. As we embark on this exploration, we'll delve into the history, methodologies, challenges, and implications of this quest for alien life. So, buckle up. Let's embark on a cosmic journey together. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, is a scientific initiative aimed at detecting signs of intelligent life beyond Earth. This field combines astronomy, biology, and even philosophy, as it seeks to understand not only if extraterrestrial life exists, but also what forms it might take and how we might communicate with it. The foundation of SETI rests on the principle that if intelligent beings exist, they might communicate through electromagnetic signals, such as radio waves or laser beams. This concept raises exciting possibilities. What messages might they send? And what forms of communication could they use? It's fascinating to consider that we are not merely seeking life as we know it, but rather any form of intelligence that might exist, even if it differs drastically from our own. Imagine scanning the cosmos for messages from distant worlds, hoping to connect with other intelligent beings. It's a cosmic quest that challenges our understanding of life itself. The history of SETI is rich and varied, dating back to the early 20th century, with significant developments occurring in the 1960s. In 1960, astronomer Frank Drake conducted the first systematic search for extraterrestrial signals in a project he named Project Ozma. He focused on two nearby stars, Tau Ceti and Epsilon Eridani, using a radio telescope to listen for any signs of intelligent life. This groundbreaking project laid the groundwork for future SETI endeavors. The same year, Drake formulated the Drake equation, a probabilistic formula that estimates the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in our galaxy. This equation factors in various parameters, including the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planetary systems, and the number of planets that could potentially support life. Since those early days, SETI has evolved dramatically. Organizations like the SETI Institute and initiatives like the Allen Telescope Array have continued to push the boundaries of what we can learn about the universe. They utilize advanced technology and interdisciplinary approaches to expand our understanding. Picture the excitement of those early astronomers, peering through telescopes and tuning into cosmic frequencies, driven by the hope of discovering intelligent life. SETI employs a variety of methods to search for extraterrestrial signals. Let's delve deeper into some of the most effective techniques. One of the primary methods is radio astronomy, where large radio dishes listen for narrowband signals, those that could indicate artificial sources. These signals would stand out from the background noise of cosmic phenomena. The project, initiated in 1999, allowed volunteers to contribute their computer power to analyze vast amounts of data collected from radio telescopes. This innovative approach turned everyday computers into a powerful tool for the search, democratizing the process of searching for extraterrestrial signals. Another fascinating approach involves the search for laser signals, which might be utilized by advanced civilizations for communication. The idea is that a powerful laser beam directed towards Earth could be detectable by our instruments, much like a lighthouse shining across the sea. Imagine a vast network of telescopes and sensors, all tuned into the cosmic symphony, ready to catch any faint whispers from the stars. The excitement and anticipation of potentially discovering a signal can only be described as exhilarating. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the vastness of space itself. The universe is enormous, and the distances between stars are staggering. Even if a signal is sent, it may take thousands or millions of years to reach us, making it difficult to establish communication. For example, the closest star system, Alpha Centauri, is about 4.37 light-years away, meaning any signal we send would take over 4 years to arrive. Additionally, signals can be easily drowned out by natural cosmic noise, such as radiation from stars and galaxies. Distinguishing between artificial signals and background noise requires sophisticated technology and careful analysis. Moreover, there's the possibility that extraterrestrial civilizations may not communicate in the same way we do. They could use different technologies or even forms of communication entirely, making it challenging to identify their signals. Picture the daunting task of trying to hear a whisper in a crowded stadium. This is the challenge astronomers face in the quest to detect alien signals. What would it mean if we discovered evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence? The implications are profound. A confirmed signal from an alien civilization could reshape our understanding of life, technology, and our place in the universe. It might lead to new scientific collaborations, inspiring humanity to work together to decipher and respond to these messages. For instance, how would religions and cultures around the world respond to the idea that intelligent life exists beyond Earth? Would we come together to celebrate this discovery, or would it create division and conflict? These questions highlight the deep philosophical implications of such a revelation. Moreover, such a discovery could inspire future generations to explore space, fostering a deeper curiosity and commitment to understanding the cosmos. It could catalyze technological advancements and increase funding for space exploration initiatives. Imagine the excitement of humanity coming together, united by the realization that we are not alone in the universe, a monumental shift in our perspective. The impact on art, culture, and philosophy could be transformative. The future of SETI looks bright, with new technologies and approaches on the horizon. Projects like the Breakthrough Listen initiative, launched in 2015, aim to scan the entire Milky Way for signals. Utilizing some of the world's most powerful telescopes, this initiative is committed to searching for alien communications over the next decade, covering more than 1 million stars. Additionally, advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing the way scientists analyze data. These technologies enable researchers to sift through vast amounts of information more efficiently, increasing the chances of detecting potential signals. Scientists are also exploring new wavelengths for communication. For instance, infrared signals might be less likely to be absorbed by cosmic dust, offering a clearer path for interstellar messaging. Picture a future where we harness cutting-edge technology to decode the cosmic messages from the stars, each new day bringing us closer to understanding our neighbors in the galaxy. Beyond the scientific implications, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence invites us to contemplate deeper philosophical questions about our existence and the nature of intelligence. For example, if we discover extraterrestrial life, it raises questions about the uniqueness of humanity. Are we special in our capacity for consciousness, or is intelligent life a common occurrence throughout the cosmos? The existence of advanced civilizations could also prompt discussions about ethics and responsibility. How should we approach communication with these beings? What protocols should we establish to ensure mutual respect and understanding? Additionally, the prospect of discovering intelligent life could influence how we view our own planet. It may inspire a greater appreciation for biodiversity and a sense of stewardship toward Earth, as we recognize that our actions may impact not just ourselves, but potentially other intelligent beings in the universe. His search for extraterrestrial intelligence is a fascinating and complex endeavor that continues to inspire curiosity and wonder. As we explore the cosmos and push the boundaries of our knowledge, we remain hopeful that one day we might find the answer to one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone? Thank you for joining me on this exploration of SETI. Keep looking up and remember, the universe is full of possibilities waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay curious and inspired by the wonders of the cosmos.